the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight.
Hey cuties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Janelle and welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment tour. My younger sister Celine and I just moved from the San Francisco area to the LA area. We're so excited to be living together. We got to decorate our apartment together, and now I get to show you guys what it looks like. So enjoy. So I'm going to begin by telling you guys that most, if not all, the things in our apartment are from Ikea, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls. I swear you're going to hear me say that a million times throughout this video. Like this mirror and this plant, both from Ikea, as well as the rug. This is the Hobbit mirror. This mirror is in my old room. If you guys remember, if you guys been following me for a while, that big mirror in my room, that's the Hobbit mirror. Both these couches are also from Ikea, and actually this big couch right here pulls out to a queen-size bed, which is super convenient when we have guests to come over. And all our pillows are also from TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls. They all kind of have similar things. If you guys want to decorate your apartment or house or whatever, definitely go check out those stores. They have the cutest things, such as these stools that we actually got. You could use them as chairs. But we also use them, you know, to put our feet up as we watch TV. This is like my couch, you guys. Celine has the big one. I have the little chair. This is usually my spot. I got this little basket from Target, and we got a bunch of big blankets because we love to stay cozy here from Costco. Celine and I absolutely love lighting candles in our apartment. We get them from Marshalls. They're super reasonable, usually under $10, so we always stock up on those. And here's a photo of Celine and I from one of our friend Elsie's 21st birthday party. Our family is half Palestinian and half Jordanian, so as a gift our mother got us this book called Palestine on a Plate. We love cooking, and this is just perfect for us to get in touch with our roots. All of our lamps in our apartment, as well as our tables, such as the coffee tables, are all from Ikea. They're super cheap and sturdy, and they just fit our apartment perfectly. I was listening to The Weeknd by SZA. If you've never listened to her music, definitely go check it out. She's one of my favorite artists, and her music is absolutely amazing. Our TV stand is also from, you guessed it, Ikea. And in the little cubbies, I place some of my books that I love to read, as well as a stack of magazines, some of my sketchbooks, and the letter J and C for Janelle and Celine. It was honestly a little bit difficult trying to find a really nice dining room table, but we actually did find one from Ikea, and I think it fits perfectly with our theme. In this corner right here is where we keep all our supplements. We have a Performance Whey chocolate powder, which we drink after the gym. We also have the BCAAs, which is amino acid supplement that we also take for the gym. We have my water bottle here, my protein shaker, and we also take daily women's vitamins. Celine found this brand called Ollie. It's awesome. We just take 2 gummies a day, and it's a mix of a ton of different types of vitamins as well as biotin. So when we were first touring this apartment, before we even rented it, I had noticed that there was a wine cooler built into the kitchen, and I was already in love. And since I am a wine snob and a wine major, this came in handy. In the beginning of the new year, Celine and I bought these 2 whiteboards from Target, and we decided to make a goals board and a to-do board so we can stay more organized this year and definitely try to accomplish all of our goals for 2018. everyone, welcome to my bedroom, the room that I literally never leave, never step out of. For my bedrooms, I always like to do simple colors and simple color schemes such as just white and black with accents of color like yellow or pink. So that's kind of what I focused on for this room. My nightstand and my lamp are both from Ikea. The black roses are from Michael's, and this lavender oil diffuser that smells amazing is from Marshall's. I've been slacking with my water intake, so I make sure to keep one right beside my bed. I also have one in my car so I never forget to stay hydrated. My LED lights are from Amazon. It was only $19 and it's 16 feet. It's like a sticky. You can literally place it anywhere. I place it right behind my bed frame. And by the way, all the links for stuff like that will be in my caption below, so make sure you check that out. My bed frame is from Ikea and my sheets are from Target, I believe, as well as my pillows. I even have silk pillowcases, which I love, from Amazon. It's really good for your hair and your skin. You guys should check that out. I got 2 little stuffed animals that I love to sleep with. Celine literally makes fun of me every day, but you guys, I cannot sleep without them anymore. What I love about these bed frames is that it comes with storage underneath. So there's this giant drawer underneath. I keep my yoga mat, my hats there, some camera equipment. I have my bed table and an extra blanket just in case it gets cold in here, because it gets really cold here in the wintertime. This clothing rack is actually a new addition to my bedroom. I literally just got it a few hours before I started filming it. But the reason for me to buy this is because 1, it was a little empty in that corner, and 2, I needed something to put all my promo clothes, like when I work with companies such as Fashion Nova and stuff, just so I stay organized and on track. This lamp is from Lamps Plus. You can also get one that's really similar from Target. I really like this one. It helps me with my pictures and it just adds a little bit more light to my room. Here's my brush organizer. I got it from Target, as well as these glass containers I actually got from the 99-cent store. They're actually candle holders. And then this is my Ikea makeup drawer. If you guys want to check it out, just go look at my last room tour. I show you exactly what's inside. This vanity set is from Ikea, and this stool is from TJ Maxx. I also got some hand weights in the corner because I do some workouts at home. A little notebook and a planner, just because I always have things on my mind. I like to write it down so I don't forget. And I need to show you guys this. So I got this book. My mom gave it to me when I was a teenager. It's a Bobbi Brown makeup book. This is how I learned how to do makeup before Instagram and before YouTube, and I still have it today. It's literally so basic though, but I love looking through it. I swear makeup has changed so much. It's amazing. And here is the bathroom, super black and white. Everything in here is also from Ross, TJ Maxx, and Marshall's, you guys. It's literally down our street. That's why everything is from there, and it's just so cheap there, and everything is so cute. Wait. You guys have to see our apartment and what it looks like at night. Alrighty, and that is it for my video today. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos. I adore you all so much. Thank you so much for watching.